Before we start, make sure you have your Wi-Fi password, smartphone device like a tablet or laptop, and make sure your internet router's 2.4 GHz setting is turned on. Most home Wi-Fi routers have two types of networks, one called 2.4 GHz and one called 5 GHz. Our charger only works with the 2.4 GHz network. If you see two networks with similar names, choose the one with 2.4 in the name. Okay, let's start. Step 1, Wi-Fi range. Now let's see if your charger is within your Wi-Fi range. You can simply do this by seeing if you have Wi-Fi to your smart device. Stand next to the charger and see if you have Wi-Fi. Step 2, turn your charger on. Turn your charger on at the isolator switch. If it is already on, turn it off, wait 1 minute and turn it back on. After turning your charger on, it will create its own Wi-Fi network for about 5 minutes. Step 3, connect to the charger Wi-Fi. On your smart device, open the Wi-Fi settings to see the EVOS charger Wi-Fi. Look for a network name that matches your charger's serial number. It will look something like this. It can take up to 2 minutes after starting up for this network to appear in your phone's Wi-Fi list. When you have found it, tap on it to connect just like you would any other internet Wi-Fi connection. Once you have connected to the EVOS charger Wi-Fi, this should open this web page called Charger Wi-Fi Setup. Select Scan Networks. Now select your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, your phone should open the Wi-Fi password page automatically. Enter your password and tap Connect. If the Wi-Fi network is not on the list, please refresh your web page. The connection will take about 30 seconds. Once the charger is connected, the front display LEDs will stop flashing cyan and white and turn solid white. You're connected and ready to charge. That's it. Your charger is now connected to Wi-Fi and you can take advantage of features like remote monitoring, smart charging schedules, and firmware updates. Hasn't connected? Here are some common issues to troubleshoot. If the charger blinks white and cyan, it means it couldn't connect. Check that your Wi-Fi is working, your password is correct, and try the steps again from the beginning. If you can't see your home network on the list after you have scanned, make sure your router's 2.4 GHz setting is turned on. If the EVOS charger Wi-Fi APN is no longer visible, you will need to turn the charger off, wait 1 minute, then turn it back on at the isolator switch. Then start the process again. You can log a support ticket via our website if you need help. Thank you for watching.